This is Japan's iconic football jersey, crafted with precision for the FIFA World Cup 2026.
Every jersey begins as a digital concept, where designers refine every detail carefully.
The signature wave pattern represents movement, energy, and Japan's footballing identity worldwide.
Engineers select lightweight fabrics designed for maximum comfort and athletic performance. Premium polyester materials arrive before entering the highly controlled manufacturing process. Automated scanners detect imperfections to ensure every panel meets strict standards. The distinctive chest pattern is printed with exceptional precision and consistency. Specialized technology keeps graphics sharp while preserving flexibility during movement.
Each printed sheet undergoes careful inspection before moving to production.
Looks good.
Yes, the alignment is perfect.
Approved for production.
Computer-guided cutters shape every component with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. The front panel receives special attention to preserve graphic alignment perfectly. Thousands of individual pieces are organized before assembly begins across production lines. Skilled operators stitch shoulder panels that define the jersey's distinctive appearance.
Strong seams ensure durability throughout intense international football competitions.
The collar combines comfort, style, and national colors in one elegant detail. Careful assembly transforms separate fabric sections into a complete garment. Production scales efficiently while maintaining consistent quality across every jersey.
The Japan Football Association crest receives meticulous attention during application. Precision embroidery highlights the federation's proud football heritage and tradition. Brand markings are applied carefully to achieve perfect positioning and balance.
Every jersey passes multiple quality checks before receiving final approval. Materials are tested expensively to withstand the demands of professional football. Engineers verify moisture management and ventilation performance under realistic conditions. Steam treatment removes wrinkles and prepares jerseys for final presentation. Careful packaging protects each jersey during worldwide distribution and delivery. Thousands of units begin their journey from factory floors to global markets.
Supporters eagerly purchase the same design worn by national team players.
Every stitch represents craftsmanship, innovation, and national football pride combined.
On the field, performance technology helps athletes compete at the highest level.
The lightweight fabric moves naturally, supporting speed, agility, and endurance.
From design studios to stadiums, every step reflects extraordinary attention to detail.
This is how Japan's football jersey is made, ready for the FIFA World Cup 2026.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.